So ever wanted to split an Excel into two different colors, whether you are building a professional dashboard or creating a custom header? Excel doesn't make it obvious, but it's actually very easy. So in this tutorial, I will guide you how you can do that. For this, you need to select the cells and right click and click on the format cells. And now head to the fill tab and click on the fill effects. In the fill effects, you need to select the two colors and select the first color of your choice, for example, yellow, and select the second color of your choice, for example, this one. And now you can give some shading styles. This is the vertical, this is the diagonal up, this is the diagonal down, this is the from corner and from centers. So it's up to you which you like it. So I'll be selecting this option for this. Click OK to apply, and here you can see that. If you want to apply the similar effects on this cells, what you have to do is you need to click on this format painter option. Click on that and just click on this empty cells, and the similar effects will be applied on this cells. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.